Hello and welcome to 101 Silverado Drive, located here in Garner's Ferry. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a bonus room upstairs, also a 2-car garage and a covered back porch and front porch. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now making our way to the backyard. Here is the covered front porch. And you also have your back door right here that leads into the living room portion of the home. And also that window right there actually looks out into the backyard from the dining portion as well. And with that being said, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your hardwood floors on the foyer, and then it leads to the living room and also the kitchen as well. We're going to make our way to the left to the kitchen. You have your built-in microwave, also your stove, very neat backsplash behind there. Then you have your cabinets, colors complemented very well. And going a little bit further, you have your chandelier in the dine-in portion, and there are the windows that I mentioned earlier that look out into the backyard of the home. Right here across from the sink, you have your laundry room. You have your shelving right here, and also your washer and dryer connections, and also alarm system. To the right, you have your living room. Pretty high ceilings. Also, you have your fireplace, and your master bedroom is located on the bottom floor, which is that door right there to the right, but we'll save that for last. And look at the additional bedrooms off the hallway. All right, right here to the right is bedroom number 1. It is carpeted, pretty good sized bedroom. Also looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood, and it's also in a cul-de-sac as well. You have your ceiling fan right here. And then you have your walk-in closet right there. Coming out of bedroom number 1, back into the hallway to the right, you have bedroom number 2. Same style as bedroom number 1, slightly smaller, but not by much. It is carpeted as well. Then you have your window that looks out into the side of the home. And then you have your walk-in closet right here as well. Coming out of bedroom number 2, you have your linen closet right here before you get to the bathroom. And then right next to it is the bathroom. You have your shower and tub combo right here. Then your single vanity and mirror. And the bonus room is located upstairs. So let's go take a look there. All right, we're now upstairs in the bonus area. As soon as you come in, you have your ceiling fan right here, pretty good size. And then you have your window that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood as well. And it is carpeted. And it's right above the garage. All right, let's make our way back downstairs and take a look at the master bedroom. All right, we're now about to enter the master bedroom, but right before you enter, you have your thermostat right here on the wall. And it is carpeted in here as well. High ceilings. Then you have your ceiling fan and also 2 windows right here that look out into the side of the yard. Then you have your master bathroom. As soon as you come in, you have your garden tub and also your shower. And you have your double vanity right here and your walk-in closet right there. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 101 Silverado Drive, located in Garner's Ferry. 3 bedroom, a bonus, and 2 bathrooms. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.